Good morning, friends. I hope you're well today. John Rurkowski, another great open house here in the heart of Clearwater. We're on Kapok Cove, which is a side street off of McMullen Booth, right across from Sam Ash, so you get an idea where you're at. For those who are not familiar with the area, great location. I mean, you're maybe a mile or so from US 60, State Road 60, which takes you to Tampa or to Clearwater Beach. Not far from anything and close to everything. So let me give you a quick tour. This, by the way, is a four bedroom, 3 bath, 1,900 square feet, huge yard. It's on the market for $585. Everything has been completely done to the highest standards, including hurricane windows throughout the entire home, which, as you know, is a huge expense today. So let's go outside. I'll give you a tour. Quiet street, very nice residential area. So here's the front of the home, 1-car garage, but it's deep. And in the garage, I can't wait to show you the bathroom. If you hear some guys working in there, they're still here today, finishing up some things, just so you know. Nice entrance way. What I really liked about it too is he matched the porcelain tile in the wet areas with the luxury planking throughout the home. So look at here's both of them at the same time. Very, very close, but well done. Front door, you enter into a sitting living room area and a formal dining room right there. The master or primary is back there. So it's separated from the other 3 bedrooms, which are on the left side of the house. We'll get to the kitchen a little bit later, but it's off to the right here. And man, just really very, very sharp. So let's go down the hallway here. To the right of the hall is a bathroom that, again, I'll try not to say it. It's been completely redone. This has a tub. Just notice the consistencies of the colors that he did in this home. Plenty of closet space. As you can see, there's closets on both sides. Zoomed out a little bit for you there. Both sides of that bathroom. This front bedroom is huge. This could be easily the size of a primary. This window at the front of the house faces south, so it's nice and light and bright. And I love these new built-in fan feature in the light, which is, very easy to control the dimness or color of the light along with the fan. And it takes very, very little space close to the ceiling. To the back is 2 more bedrooms. This is still a very nice size bedroom. Look at this one too. Much larger than you're going to find in many homes. And again, consistency with the colors and fans and lights. Plenty of space, large closets in all the bedrooms. And they're just finishing up working on here. It's nice to see when somebody rehabs a home like this. They take a lot of pride in doing it right, because they know that that's what people are looking for when they buy a home today. So back out to the main living area. Front door to the right. Formal dining room is right here. And then a large kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite. The cabinets on the bottom are an espresso, and the top are white. All have gold trim. And I'll take you back here in a little bit, but over to the right is the door to the garage, which has the 3rd complete bathroom, which is nicer than you'll see in most homes, and that's in the garage. There's a sitting area out here too, to your backyard that's screened in. So let's get back to the primary. So we're walking through the kitchen. Back to the dining area. And here is the master, or the primary, as we like to call it now. That's a king-size bed, plenty of room. All these windows back here looking to this huge lot, which again is 75 wide by 175 deep. It's fenced on two sides, and this would be facing north. And how about a walk-in shower that can, this has got to be 6x6 at least. And if you notice, the same tile that was in the other bathroom. I love the consistency of what the seller has done here. Double vanity. And back to the primary. Beautiful, beautiful home. So, if you are looking in central Pinellas, anywhere in Pinellas County, for a single family home, no HOA, man, this is, you got to take a look at this one. It's 585, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, almost 1,900 square feet on a huge lot, and nothing needs to be done. I'm John Rurkowski. I'd love to help you transition to the next chapter in your life. And if you're interested, drop me a call. I'll be here until noon today and can show you the property anytime you like. Call me at 727-459-7356 and make it a great day. Peace.